An update on OLN Corporation, a company in the basic materials sector. And here we are, effectively put in a sell signal, secondary sell signal. We have officially, as of today, cracked this head and shoulder neckline, primary trend line here, with plenty of continuous reactionary highs and reactionary lows to help validate it off of some huge negative bearish divergences that have constructed really on all three indicators. And again, I had mentioned in my previous video on a snap of that 64.64 price support coinciding with this beautiful bearish rising wedge pattern would result in a sell-off, and if not, start to scale in on some short trade setups. If not, dollar cost average, get out of your longs. And that was good for a 30% crash here so far. Again, not a very good sign that we took out this neckline, primary trend line here off this head, shoulder, and we caught this whole right shoulder to the very T here. So we'll see what happens. That is a sell signal. If anything, would you might see a big counter turn rally, potential counter turn rally, maybe a back test, but anything's possible. These are some new targets that I've laid out for you. If you're setting those trailing stops, looking to cover at some of these price ranges. Again, huge air pocket here off the COVID crash lows. You're talking about a great 637% in gains off the COVID crash low. So again, we got some plenty of work to be done off this huge air pocket. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated if we take out some of these key levels, and I'll start updating any more new developments. Again, here we are, negative and bearish divergences really constructed on all three indicators here on the weekly interval, with cross over on both the MACD and oscillator, now starting to retest its zero line. Extreme oversold conditions now on the RSI. Can't really see anything as far as goes back as far as 2019. Pretty extreme oversolds. 2018, going back to 2018, some pretty big oversold conditions around that area. So anything's possible. We could get oversold. As far as the weekly interval goes, it looks like it's just starting to get started, especially with these huge near term steep negative divergences here. So we'll see what happens. Plenty of room to go on the weekly interval RSI. Beautiful head and shoulder here, caught the whole right shoulder, and some of these key levels to watch out for. Took out the 50 weekly moving average, and I'd suspect to move down here to potentially revisit that 200 weekly moving average. So anything's possible. Hit that like, subscribe button, enjoy the video anyway. I'll keep you updated if I see any more significance on the charts on OLN Corporation.